What's up guys, this is KDCloudy, and right now I'm still kind of recovering from the physical and mental exhaustion of making the last video. So please check it out if you haven't already. I can't do the dry humor thing. But yeah, I was planning to make this a setup tour video or like an EDC video, what's in my bag and all that stuff. But I don't have an EDC, an everyday carry right now. And I probably will not have one until I start going back to college again. But yeah, I got this very cool new addition to my so-called to be EDC, which is related to organization. So if you know me personally, then you probably know that I carry some sort of like a tech kit, like a small bag, like a pouch with all sorts of cables and my SSDs and all sorts of adapters and all that. Very unorganized, and it's not very cool or high tech or minimal. So what I got here today, sent by a company called OrbitKey, solves all of that, and it's just so cool. It's like too cool to not make a video about. So here it is. This is the OrbitKey Nest. This is the Apple Pencil over here. This is the OrbitKey Nest. It's just so cool. It has this loop kind of a lock to it. I can open it, and that's my core EDC organization tech kit kind of a thing. You can see that. So yeah, this is a thing which I legitimately need in my daily life, and you probably need to, because if you own a lot of tech, if you are a person like me, you need some sort of organization like that, and this thing absolutely solves like that. And this is just perfect. And as you can see, the outside of it carries the Apple Pencil. You can house a normal pen or a pencil if you want to, and it just opens like that, and it's just beautiful to look at. It's like can you see it? Yeah, it's like a modern tech minimal briefcase. But yeah, I'll go over what I have on this little I don't want to say box. If you grew up in India, you used to have like these compass boxes, right? And if you were like a nerd, then you would very neatly arrange that compass box, all the intricate. This is my grown-up version of that compass box, and I absolutely love it. Like, absolutely love it. Really excited about this. Yeah, so on the main deck over here, I have a few essentials. These are like perfectly essential. I need these things to have the show up and running, to have a stable workflow, and have all of my devices talking to each other. First thing are my AirPods. I recently got them for spatial audio, so there is that. And yeah, after the AirPods, I have this 18-watt USB Type-C charger. It's very old. It's from my old Google Pixel. But yeah, it charges pretty much everything, and I'll get to the cables one second. It supports USB power delivery, which is very, very important. And then I have this. This is a Samsung T5 SSD, and I edit all of my videos off of the SSD. It has a 500 gigabyte capacity, and whatever projects I'm working on lives on this, and I edit off of this. All my projects, all my Final Cut libraries, my intros, and whatever footage I want to keep goes over here, and this is what I edit off of. Then I just keep it aside. I have a Type-C to Type-C cable to run the SSD. Then I have a Lightning to USB-C cable. This is a braided one. This is a very nice braided one from Nomad, and this is basically useful for charging all my Apple devices. You could say I'm kind of deep into the ecosystem. Then I have this Type-C to micro USB cable with this OrbitKey cable manager which they provide, and this is useful for charging my camera. Did I say camera twice? Yeah, a mouse. My Logitech MX Master charges through micro USB, so yeah, this thing charges that. Also something else which I'm forgetting, but yeah, a micro USB cable is something which you always need. And this is my mechanical hard drive with an Apple sticker on it, because to tell people that it's like APF is formatted. It's a weird twisted joke, but all of my movies and basically all my entertainment stuff, and also has my backup. Still not enough though. I probably will need to upgrade to a 4 terabyte one. It has like 60 gigabytes left on this, so I'll probably upgrade. And yeah, that's basically the core essentials thing, and it just comes together very, very nicely. It's just I just love it so much. And over here, like I have the small stuff. I have, what do I have over here? I have an SD card reader. I have a Type C to USB A adapter. I have a Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, and I also have my 32 gigabyte flash drive. You need flash drives, and when you're in college you just need that. Then I also have a SIM ejector tool over here, slid right in, and I also have a spare SD card, 64 gigabytes. And over here I have a few business cards. I do have my own business cards. I don't know why. I was just too excited and I wanted to be cool, so I got a lot of them printed from Vistaprint for a few years now, and I just cannot seem to finish them. And if you want one of these, if you meet me in person, you can have one. So it's just there for vanity. I just this video is so self-deprecating right at this point. So that was basically my tech essentials kit. Very minimalistic and sounds and looks very cool, but I haven't even gotten to the coolest part just yet. And the coolest part is that this top portion, this part is a wireless charger. I can literally drop my phone onto this and it will charge. I still cannot believe that there is like a magnetic coil on this somewhere which can charge my device, and I can even just pop it off like that and use it as a wireless charger, which I do. I just have this on my bedside and this is my default wireless charger. But yeah, this is like a very unique piece of, it's kind of tech, but it's not really. But it's a very essential thing that if you own a lot of tech like me, then it's like a must-have. And OrbitKey just made a pretty excellent product. My only gripe is that it should have been a little bigger, because I own a lot of stuff, which is not really something to be proud of. But they wanted to keep it minimal. I get that, but a bigger box like this would be amazing, so that I can have like a larger surface area to have my phone on. And the wireless charger is sometimes finicky, but it mostly works. But yeah, I would prefer like an XL version of this exact same thing. But yeah, that's basically it. This is gonna go in my bag whenever I carry a bag again. But yeah, this is still like, I use it every day, like I said, on my bedside as my wireless charger. And this is like an overall a very nice thing to have in general. So if you want to buy this, the links will be down below in the description. OrbitKey also sent me a desk mat to check out, and that's part of my setup right now. Honestly, I can't really review a desk mat, but it's pretty cool, and you can slide papers in. These are still like papers for my final. Bunch of junk, really. You can't even read this. That's Java. Yeah, I'll probably throw this away after recording this video. But yeah, I can just keep that right in and forget about it. And yeah, that's basically it. What else? Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.